Yes. Sites were weird.
You never came to us.
That's right, yeah.
Is there any way you can take out money in cash? Just sort of party together unless you pay for it last time?
It's just one more question to us. Yeah, there's the problem. You have to do something inside. Means they can't complete the circuit. Well, the vents are now here. You can actually look at the category. Yeah, that's right. Going down the far end. You can actually coming back. You can't run through this wall. You can't run onto the road.
Well, this is a lot.
Yeah, this is. But now everything's supposed to go on everyone. It's supposed to go on that bridge. Then there's the rest of the
Mine would come back to I reckon I would think 7, 8. One real call is 13.
Yes.
How much did you get a third off?
Oh, I see.